My athlete's current stats are his height is 5 foot 8 inches. He has a body weight of 190 pounds and a body fat of 20%. And some achievements for whenever we're finished. He'll be able to bench press 225 pounds for 5 reps, squat 315 pounds for 5 reps, and deadlift 365 pounds for 8 reps. And I want him to have an 8 to 10% body fat prior to a contest, around the same time that he gets on the stage. And that, with that being said, his stage weight would need to be around 165 pounds for his height. And then when it comes to the exercise testing for my program, it'll be a weekly check. And I say that because it's all hypertrophy training, and there's 5 to 6 days a week of him working out. And each week he will progress a little bit in every aspect. So, for example, I have on the example for 185 for 8 reps. Let's just say that's bench press. And then the next week he'll do 185 pounds again, but for 10 reps. And so each week he'll either improve with 1 to 2 reps with the same weight, or he'll improve with the same reps with more weight. So 3 or 4 weeks, for 3 or 4 weeks of 185 pounds, he'll go from 8 reps to 16 reps. Then the next week we'll jump up to 190 pounds for 8 reps and then continue from there.